Now, racecraft cars are powered by light from the track. You gotta condense it in the engine by tapping your go button.
Pump that pedal, racecrafter.
Now, this is...
Whoa, that's insane!
You bet!
Final lap! I'm on the edge of my seat!
The crowd is going crazy.
A big old bounce! A good test run, racecrafter. First place!
Listen well, racecrafter. This here is a powered core. Power cores can create cool items like track pieces and car upgrades. However, to activate them, you'll first need to fill them up with sparks. You get spark for winning races and breaking records, but most importantly, from building high-powered tracks.
We got it, Bob. Let's get on with the show. That's just enough sparks. Claim your power core now. A new track piece.
Love it.
Check out the car lineup for this season, Bob. We're hitting for Charge versus Stream. Rev your engines, folks. The race is on. Another one down.
Once again, the scratch is proof of the match.
Final lap. I'm on the edge of my seat.
The crowd is going crazy.
This race was on fire. First place. New record. Looks like the track battery is empty.
Sure,